Alright, ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com with my nightly video recap. Let's start it off with ticker JD. Full disclosure, JD was actually a pick in the premium member community. We were able to gain north of about, I want to say 15% on this trade within a span of 2 to 3 days. So I did a couple of YouTubes, maybe a handful of YouTube videos on ticker JD. And I said, well, support has held. Let's look at that level here. So dating back to when the stock IPO'd around June of 2014, that low of around $19-20 has held thus far, we can say, for the last 4 years, right? We experienced that level again, not June, let's say May of 2014. We fell back down there June of 2016. That area held. So when we broke, we can call it primary support of around $35-36, and we got as low as around $21.20. I indicated that it would be wise from a risk-reward perspective, and looking at the chart, it would be wise to go long when the stock hit that, that support of $19 or $20. I felt we would have been able to get a bounce. Sure enough, stock did come down to around $19.20. We took the trade. We got that bounce, and again, we were able to capitalize about north of 15% in about 3 or so trading days. Now, sitting here at 21.08, we're up about north of 9%. In after hours, about 6% on the day. So again, as long as that 1920 area holds, I'm bullish on the stock. So if we do happen to break down that area, then I think things can get ugly. But for now, as long as we can hold that 1920 area, JD is a long in my opinion. What else do you have? Alright, so I feel like I've done a video recap on the SPY dating back to October when the crash initially went underway. And I'm going to kind of just speed up what my thoughts are because I've done so many videos and nothing really has changed. You're only hearing new information if this is your first time to my channel. And if it is, thank you and welcome. So for the SPY, I've indicated it's been trading within a range. Dating back to 2017, that range is 280, resistance 260, support. We broke support of 260. Secondary support, in my opinion, was 250. We blew through that. Very surprised. I'm very surprised that we breached 260. Even more surprised that we breached 250. And, there's been an increase in volume, so I'm going to assume like this is selling. So we're probably going to reach capitulation soon. Right, we'll probably reach, in my opinion, capitulation soon. But again, massive selling, confirmation of volume, red candles, closed at 240. Now, and as I told one of my members that emailed me, 250 is secondary support. He wanted to know where does the chart go after that, and I said about 240. 240 should hold. I know folks are panicking. Interestingly enough, I just had a conversation with my mother, and she got an email from her advisor regarding her, her 401k, and she was talking about the market is collapsing. I'm not going to say that should be the bottom because now it has hit Main Street. I'm not going to say that, but I'm going to tell you what I told her. And this is for, when you're investing in your 401k, not necessarily individual stocks, that's different. But when you are investing sort of like in these mutual funds, your best bet obviously is to buy when the markets are down 30, 40, 50%. Like it should be, you should consider it a gift because you're getting particular funds at such a discounted price, and you're also getting the underlying instruments, those stocks, at a very discounted price. So my thing to her, and I'm telling you, it's an opportunity. You're going to fare well in the long run. Historically, the market has one overall direction, and that is up. Don't worry. Just don't look at your 401k. Sit back, and you'll be fine. And I'm telling you guys that. For your 401k, I wouldn't even try to trade my 401k. That's like being honest. If you have a 401k, you keep it. Longer term portfolio. My point is, right, with your 401k, if you're not an experienced trader, I wouldn't trade it. Even if you're an experienced trader, I wouldn't even really concern yourself with your 401k. Just keep buying as I am, again, a couple of disclosures. One, we are short the SPY in the premium member community. Again, while I've been bullish, and I still am bullish, and I can't help but be optimistic, I realized that there was some underlying weakness, and I wanted to protect our long portfolio. So I said, you know what? We can be long, but let's short the market. Never have I ever, never did I ever think that we'd be sitting here at 240 from our short, like literally close to resistance of 280. So we're up very nicely on that short. So again, I called for a bounce yesterday. We didn't have it. I still think there's opportunities there. You cannot be afraid. You just can't. Like, if you're going to make money, you have to look for opportunities. They are out there. You have to trust me on this one. You have to. Anyway, I'll cap it there. I was going to do something on the IWM, but I've done extensive videos on that. Just go to any of my channels and you'll see my spiel. At any rate, let's cap it there. ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com. Sorry for the lengthy video. But if you enjoyed any portion of this video, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that you do not miss any. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com. Sign up. Become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always,